In this video we want to introduce you with Virtual Machine Data Recovery Toolkit, that provide tools to recover virtual machine files like VHD, VHDX, VMDK and VDI. VHD and VHDX is virtual files supported by Microsoft Virtual PC and Microsoft Server for storing data at a virtual level, where VHDX is advancedly used by Hyper-V Microsoft Server, which has replaced Virtual PC. Similarly, VMDK is file created by VMware and VMware workstations. And VDI is supported by Oracle VM VirtualBox zip toolkit. All these virtual disk files are very much prone to data corruption, which can be caused by various corrupt, bad sectors, software issues, hardware issues, and etc. To solve corruption and extract corrupt data from VHD, VHDX, VMDK and VDI files, download the free SysInfoTools Virtual Machine Data Recovery Toolkit. Efficiently recover data from any of the 4 virtual file formats. If you are using Windows 10, 8.1, 8.7 and Vista, always launch the software, run as administrator. Most important features offered by the toolkit are: provides 2 scanning modes, which scans your selected virtual file with the partitions and the file system used in it. Offers 3 recovery modes to recovers corrupted data from VHD, VHDX, VMDK and VDI in an accessible form. Maintains the hierarchy of the data folder within the virtual disk file, allows you to find file within any directory. Other supporting features of the software are: support all popular file system like FAT16, 32/64 Windows, NTFS Windows, HFS Plus, Mac, and EXTX Linux. Support GPT and MBR partitons table type. Recover files from both fixed and dynamic disk type. Compatible with platforms like Windows Virtual Server, Hyper-V Server, VMware, Oracle. To know more, visit our official site www.sysinfotools.com/toolkit/virtual-machine-data-recovery.php. Contact us, support@sysinfotools.com. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. For more such update, do subscribe our channel.